आई जानू जा बाजू या
Okay.
perfect
You want to put and it tilts a little bit? A little.
This way.
hold on वो तेरा फिर मैं देखता हूँ कैमरा we'll do that. I'm sorry.
Hi, how are you doing?
No.
I know. Very good. I've seen my husband is talking with Ajay and all.
Okay.
You can come here. This is a little shorter.
Bones going to get really messy. And if we tell them to wear
Hold on. Take one. Sir, can I help you?
Yeah, sure. Got it? Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello, hi. Hi, brother. How are you? I'm good, sir. Hi. Hello, sir. अंदर करते फोन या इधर ही करते
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Can we just request if you two have the sleeves? No. Please? No problem. Just have some. Okay, Marshall. Yeah, sorry.
You look slick. Yeah, man. I have to compete with you. Hey, come on. Yeah, man. Oh, so good to see you, gents like this. Great to see you, gents like this. The real boss man. There you go. Hi. Pleasure, sir. He is? Totally.
It's the second time he's coming.
Oh, yeah? And did you get it? Have you, do you train? Right? That's great. No? Oh, why not? Yeah. Yeah. And you go to train with me. Please come, sir. Join us in the cage. Come, let's roll. Let's go. we can. Hi. Hi. Good to see you.
Can we do the pictures this side?
Sure.
We get the branding also.
Sure.
Come on.
Huh?
What is your left side?
What here?
Yeah, Pratik. Everything in the center.
Yeah, this time.
Pratik here.
Thank you.
Yeah. So can I have you everyone together one?
चलो ना चिल्ला कौन था वो अरे
Right. Good. How are you?
Sir, can I have your picture?
It's alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
Can we take one shot like this?
How?
From the only.
What do you want me to do?
I want to show this.
मैं क्या करूँ? Chief.
Yes. 1 minute, huh? Yeah, go. Oh, good. Yes.
Right.
Do you want?
Can we get some?
कवर करना है झाड़ू तो नीचे ऊपर ना तो ऊपर
Should we?
No, that's Scott.
Yeah.
Introduction for him, and he's a great actor, and top of all, he's a great enthusiast of MMA, and he loves UFC.
Absolutely.
Then we have Scott Ticknor, who's our Deputy Principal Officer of US Consulate, Mumbai. We have Fazad Kalia, who is our Chairman of UFC Gym India. We have Mr. Ishtiaq Ansari, who is the founder and MD of UFC Gym India. We have Mr. Ajay Man.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much to everyone who's here today covering us. Just to share, this is our 4th gym in the country, and also we're opening up 3 more clubs in the next 3 months. We're opening up in Guwahati, we're opening up Lucknow, and we're opening up Greater Noida. So the brand is growing. We took the master franchise of the brand back in 2018. That's when we started this journey. The brand is older than the Indian operation. It's already have 150 clubs in 22 countries and growing. The brand growth story goes like this. When we signed up in 18, there were 9 countries and 100 clubs. In 3 years, the brand has reached 22 countries, open and operating, with 150 clubs. And there are another 18 countries which is under development. So by end of next year, the brand will have a presence in 40 countries with over 300 clubs. So that's been the growth. What is special about this brand is, I would like to add here is, typically when you talk about UFC gym, the first impression people have is the gym where you go and learn how to fight. It's a fight club, but UFC gym is not a fight club. UFC gym is one of its kind in the world. This is the only brand which brings 3 formats of training under one roof. So you have the traditional gym, which is your cardio, strength, free weight, group X studio. Then you have your functional training gyms, which has CrossFit and everything. And then you have MMA gyms. UFC offers all 3 formats under one umbrella. So when you come here, you can do functional training, you can do MMA training, you can do your cardio training, strength training. So we offer the entire spectrum. What also makes it special is we are the only gym which have youth programming. So we have classes and training modules which starts from a 5-year-old. So we have a special training program for kids from 5 to 12 years old, which no other clubs offers in the country or around the world. So we cater to an audience which starts at a 5-year, going up to 65 years. So we offer a holistic training experience when anybody comes in. I think it's more important to hear what the brand is from somebody who already trained with us. Pratik has been training with us for a while and he has experienced UFC gyms, so it's better to hear from him what he thinks about the brand and what his experience has been so far training at UFC.
पहले तो थैंक यू आप सब आए आपको देख के मिल के बहुत खुशी हो रही है बहुत महीनों सालों बाद कोविड के बाद but I think Sir summed it up perfectly. You know, it is this gym has everything. You know, if you're a fitness enthusiast, this is the place to come. And I've been training here for about 3 odd months, and I feel like this is my second home. It's my second home. I cannot live without this place. I'm an enthusiast of mixed martial arts, also of fitness, all kinds of fitness. But I think MMA is something extremely close to my heart and something that I'm extremely passionate about. So this is the place for me, this and no other. I think, you know, looking at all the posters of all the legendary fighters and having an octagon, you know, the ring is, obviously the ring is called an octagon, in case you all don't know. Having a ring that looks exactly like the ring in, you know, for the professional fights, it's quite something. It really really motivates you to train harder, and I think that's what this place exuberates. It exuberates an energy that makes you want to train harder and come back here and you know, just at least for me, you know, that's what I feel, and I'm definitely going to be a regular. I'm going to call myself you know, self-proclaimed in-house in-house mascot, if I may say, fan mascot. But it's been a beautiful journey so far in the gym training, and I'm looking forward to many years to come and making memories with everybody. Yeah, this is it's an extremely special place for me. Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. Do I pass it?
If I may add, again, thank you for being here. Thank you for being here, for carrying our voice to the public. What I'd like to just add is, I think if anything that this period has taught us the last 2 years is the value of health, value of fitness that is relevant in today's time. And I think it's not about having a fancy body, it's about being fit and healthy in mind. So if anything that we like and we want to offer here is a place for people to come and do that. Be it any age, it doesn't really matter. Please carry this message out, and we hope to see and to help as many people as we can on the journey. Thank you.
Thank you for that.
Scott.
Thank you. I'm with the U.S. Consulate, just delighted to have a U.S. Such a well-known U.S. brand here, and I think fitness is something that binds everybody in the world, desire to stay fit and be healthy. I think you said it very well. This is a time when we are all focusing more maybe than ever on being healthy and being fit. So I wish you the best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you all for being here. I personally would not call this a gym, I would call it a sanctuary of fitness. Because we offer everything you want to do to get fit. The best thing and the USP of a gym is you train like an MMA fighter, but you're doing it punched on the face. So it's your ideal fitness goals can be achieved here. Thank you all. Thank you for your time.
Any questions?
Pratik,
जी sir.
As everybody says, this is the unique gym.
Yes.
And you must have been to the lot of gyms in
Yes.
India.
Yes.
And also abroad also. What separates this gym? You said this is your second home.
This is my absolutely. This is my second. This is my second home, sir. Yeah, I actually have dreams about this place. Before I go to sleep, I imagine myself in the cage and doing some crazy, martial art move. No, I think what separates this gym, sir, ये अलग इसीलिए हैं क्योंकि ब्रांड की वजह से UFC बहुत ही पावरफुल ब्रांड है. आई थिंक जो लोग फॉलो करते हैं, द पीपल दैट आर fans and followers of the brand, I think feel I think they feel more closer to to achieving their goals if they have any of being a martial artist or anything. I think because UFC is such a prominent brand, I think for me personally, that's where it stands out for me, because hey, you can have any gym with an octagon or any gym with weights, but a UFC gym is different. I think for me, being a fan of all the fighters, the sport, the franchisee, or all the iconic fights and historic events and fights they've brought us over the years. I think for me, sir, वो चीज़ मेरे लिए बहुत ही स्पेशल है. तो मैं जब UFC जिम आता हूँ, मुझे लगता है कि मैं भी फाइटर हूँ, मैं भी UFC फाइटर हूँ. I feel like a fighter, but I think just the atmosphere, it's so tastefully done. Everything is so tastefully built, and there's a lot of love and thought put into making the gym the way it is, and I think yes. Thank you, sir.
I think you all should come and see him train here. He's here in the afternoon, the cage is in the cage, and he probably spend 2.5, 3 hours.
About 3 hours, yeah.
Intense training, that's a lot. So I would probably give it in half an hour, 45 minutes, but he's here for 2.5, 3 hours. So you probably have to come here and experience it, because for most of the people, UFC gym is still a concept, because the kind of classes we run, kind of programs we run are not there across any of the gyms in the country. So that's what makes us special. So you have to come here, take a trial workout, then you'll know what UFC is all about.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Mr. Ansari, you're not really beat up the COVID actually. People have suffered a lot in these so many years, I mean to say 18 months almost. It's a little bad phase. Coming out of this and coming up with such a big thing, and still people are not regular, still there are people who are a little bit more scared coming up. So how are you just trying to cope up with those things?
Well, COVID, if you look at it, was a bad phase for the industry, because gym is the only industry which was shut for the longest time. Gyms were allowed to open somewhere around September, October. North India happened around September, Mumbai is around October. So you were shut for 6 months. So for gym operators, it was the worst time, because you were running rental costs, payroll costs, a lot of costs. But that's from a business side. But if you look at it from a member psyche, when we opened the door, we weren't expecting the kind of footfall that we thought would come in. A lot of people came into who have not been to the gym before. So the business had picked up. There's also a mindset change that happened. A lot of people started doing outdoor workouts. Because to kill time or kill the monotony being at home, people started going out for a walk, people were going into the parks, a lot of people bought equipment. Because if you look at that phase of 6 months, if you had to buy an accessory or a dumbbell, it's all sold out. And the waiting time was almost a month and a half. So a lot of people got into fitness also to kill time, but also there was this psychological thing is that I need to be fitter. So for the industry it's good, but in general, if you see if the curve was moving in this fashion, it has gone up. But having said that, India still has the lowest penetration of fitness enthusiasts in the world. If you look at the US, the average market penetration is 12 to 16%. In Scandinavian countries, it's 20-25%, which means out of 100, 25 people are into health and fitness. In Asia, it is 6%, whereas in India, we're still less than 1%.
Wow.
So COVID has helped that curve to move faster than what it was, but we are way behind global average of people who would probably come into the gym. But it's a good thing people are coming in. So eating habits have changed. You're taking care of that. So there's a huge shift. Hygiene has changed in most of the clubs. We always had sanitizers in the club. So as per UFC gym protocol, after every class, these are high intensity classes, you have to sanitize the area. So that protocol, we had it much before COVID. For example, you have yoga mats. We have to have sanitized every yoga mats after every class. So you have a class, you take it out, so you have 25 yoga mats. So some of the protocols are already there in UFC. Those hygiene standards are there. Now if you look at from the industry, that will come into smaller clubs also, which weren't followed earlier. So that's a major change from a business side, from the customer side. We also have Mr. Hari Nair here. I'd like to hear from him what has been his experience with the brand. They are a franchise partner.
Yes.
Well, I am very small person to comment on how well the brand has done with us, because I have not been following these brands at all. But yes, UFC, I have a nephew, I think somewhere in New Zealand, who is a part of this fight club, and he's a professional fighter.
What's his name, sir? Maybe I know him.
I don't know his name of the region. He's from, actually from
Auckland?
Fiji Islands.
Auckland, yeah.
From Fiji Islands.
Probably trains with Izzy, for all you know. Yeah, for all you know.
So
City
that
kick.
is where I first heard the name. When he got married to my niece, that's when I first came to know UFC. That is almost 6 years back. And it's been our pride that we have been able to join hands with them, and we look forward to greater and greater memberships coming in because of the UFC brand. Thanks.
Thanks.
Pratik,
Yes.
Any more questions?
I think you have been a fitness freak right from the time you entered, and you are still like
Not actually
otherwise
time,
body.
not actually from time I entered, sir. मुझे चस्का लगा 24 साल का था मैं तभी. Then I did my first film when I was 19. From 19 to 24 मैं कुछ भी कर रहा था मैं.
But तभी भी you were fit. I find it hard.
I was normal. तब मुझे then I got really passionate about fitness and working out. 24. I'm about 24. 10 years. 10.
What is your training regime actually? You know, like there are lots of forms of exercises, like
Yes.
different kinds.
Yes.
This is what you're talking about is like sometimes a little bit more rigorous actually.
Absolutely, sir.
Something on that part.
Manav, brother, this is actually very energy consuming. Mixed martial arts is very, you need to have. Hi. No, absolutely. Hi, sir. So mixed MMA really sucks the energy out of you. You need to have lots of stamina. But I think personally my regime is weight training and mixed martial arts. So I do kickboxing, I do jiu-jitsu, I do Muay Thai, I do boxing, and I do weight training throughout the week. So I try to do 2 days MMA and the rest I do weights. Sorry, Manav, what is your question again?
Yeah, that's what the regime what we follow.
Yeah, so it's quite chaotic if you ask me, because I really enjoy it. मैं बहुत obsessed हूँ यार, मानव. MMA के बारे में बहुत obsessed हूँ मैं. तो मैं हफ्ते में 1 या 2 बार मैं कर ही लेता हूँ, 3-4 घंटा एक सेशन में. और मतलब इतने vigorously train करता हूँ कि मतलब end में ऐसे feel होता है कि मौत ही होगी मतलब. You should see me in the cage. By the end of it, I'm literally like
You're literally flat.
I'm literally like a dead person.
This helps you in your profession also, definitely.
I think so. I wouldn't speak for anybody else, but for myself, it helps me a lot. Balance, mixed martial arts actually helped me a lot in various aspects of my life, professionally also, personally also. I feel like my concentration level has increased, my focus level has increased, my discipline has increased, my level of respect has increased. When you're training martial arts, you know, respect is something that you understand because you're hurting each other, you know, and it's all about respect by the end of it, you know. And बहुत सीखने को मुझे तो बहुत सीखने को मिला है MMA से, और मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में अप्लाई करता हूँ डेफिनेटली, और बहुत मुझे बहुत मदद हुई है पर्सनली. Yes. Hi.
Hi. How are you?
Good to see you.
You know, आजकल जिम में लोग सप्लीमेंट एंड प्रोटीन मैं देखता हूँ कि बहुत सारे लोग जो एक्सरसाइज करते हैं एक ट्रेंड सा बन चुका है. आप कितना बिलीव करते हैं, क्या कुछ आप भी कितना यूज करने में बिलीव करते हैं?
Protein, बिल्कुल. I think it's a part and parcel. You know, it's a part and parcel of the training process. If you reach a certain level of training and bodybuilding or muscle building, and so your protein is necessary. You have to. Your body needs that much protein. So there's various ways of protein intake. You can have it through shakes. You can have it through food. As long as everything is safe on your body and you know, I think you're good to go. I believe I support supplements. I support protein supplements and protein powders and whey protein and, you know, the usual amino acids and glutamine for recovery, and that's the usual. I think सब लेते हैं, वो सालों से वो, you know, methods follow कर रहे हैं बहुत सारे लोग, professional bodybuilders, athletes. So I think that is a known way of fitness, and so I believe in it absolutely. लेकिन I think वो एक level पे पहुंचना चाहिए पहले. You have to let your body allow your body to reach to a certain limit, to a level rather, if to take those proteins.
Dalit ji, would you like to say something about UFC? Welcome, good to see you.
I will, thank you very much. And first of all, I must apologize for being late. But it's good to see you all here. My compliments, of course, to Mr. Ajay Marwa and to Pradeep and all the gentlemen who are at this dais, all these distinguished people. मुझे तो बहुत पहले से मैंने हमेशा इस पे अहमियत रखी है कि एक तंदुरुस्त शरीर और दिमाग एक साथ में होते हैं. तो अगर आप अपने शरीर को तंदुरुस्त रखेंगे तो मुझे लगता है आपका दिमाग भी तंदुरुस्त होगा, और जो चर्बी शरीर से उतरती है एक्सरसाइज करने के बाद, तो दिमाग की चर्बी भी उतरती है. और ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है हमारे जिंदगी में कि हम कुछ ना कुछ करते आए. अभी ये UFC जो अजय मारवा ने ये खोला है, मैं अजय की बात बताता हूँ आपको, और आपकी टीम को भी मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ. अजय को मैं बहुत पहले से जानता हूँ, 35 साल 30 साल पहले, माफ कीजिएगा मैं अपनी उम्र तो आप तो वैसे मुझे जानते ही हैं कि तो इन्होंने मुझे कराटे से हमने शुरू की थी, और वहाँ से भी ये मतलब बहुत कड़क इंस्ट्रक्टर है जो होना चाहिए फिजिकल फिटनेस में, तो वहाँ से करते हैं. और मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में, निजी ज़िंदगी में बचपन से कुछ ना कुछ करते रहा हूँ. स्कूल में स्पोर्ट्स खेलते थे, फिर यहाँ आके कुछ ना कुछ कभी योगा. लेकिन इस फैसिलिटी में UFC के अंदर मैं देख रहा हूँ कि हर किस्म की एक्सरसाइजेस है. जिनको ट्रेडमिल और साइकिलिंग वो सूट करता है वो भी कर सकते हैं, हर उम्र के लिए और हर फिजिकल टाइप के लिए, हर शरीर के लिए यहाँ पर कुछ है. आई मीन आपके लिए है कि आप आकर आके एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं. जैसे प्रतीक है जिनके पास सब स्टैमिना है और जवानी है और मजबूती है, तो वो तो केज के अंदर जा सकते हैं, लेकिन मैं इतना अटेम्प्ट नहीं करूँगा, क्योंकि वाकई ये बोल रहे थे वो डेड है, मैं तो वाकई डेड निकाला जाऊँगा उससे। लेकिन I must compliment Ajay, and thank you all for coming here. I believe, and I have always believed, that exercise is a very, very important part of our lives. विशेषकर आज की तारीख में जहाँ इतने स्ट्रेसेस होते हैं, काम का स्ट्रेस होता है, फैमिली के स्ट्रेस होते हैं, हर किस्म का स्ट्रेस होता है, तो उसके लिए, उससे निपटने के लिए मेरे ख्याल से फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज पे बहुत ही कम अहमियत दी गई है। तो हम सबको कहीं ना कहीं अपनी जिंदगी में एक घंटा आधा घंटा निकाल के फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज करना जरूरी है। और मैं एक बार फिर अजय को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करता हूँ कि इन्होंने ऐसे एक फैसिलिटी खोला है जहां हम आके ये कर सकते हैं। तो आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू अजय, थैंक यू फॉर कॉलिंग मी, ऑल ऑफ यू, एंड आई विश UFC एवरी सक्सेस। और मैं भी यहाँ आने की कोशिश करूंगा, देखूंगा कि मैं यहाँ पर कहाँ फिट होता हूँ। जैसे ये अंदर आके मैं थोड़ा डर जाता हूँ प्रदीप जैसे लोगों को देखकर, तभी भी अब कोशिश करूंगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
जी ओह माय गॉड, बहुत बड़ी लंबी लिस्ट है यार, बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी लिस्ट है। मैं कहाँ शुरू करूँ? अक्षय कुमार, सलमान खान, Jean-Claude Van Damme, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Sylvester Stallone. The list will go on. Muhammad Ali, Mike Tyson, यहाँ जितने हैं, Michael Jordan. Too many. You know, name all the legends, and I'm a fan and I'm inspired. So I think early on, लेकिन सबको पहले जब वर्कआउट चालू होता है ना, तो सब आर्नोल्ड श्वार्ज़नेगर के बारे में सोचते वर्कआउट कर दिया। I think पहले वो बॉडी चाहिए, हाँ वो सब मतलब and Dalip sir obviously. No, I think it's just it's a greatness of that man. I think वो लेकिन फिर you know benchmarks, huh? Yeah. I think then on the road, you know, through the years, obviously you come to know of many more such inspiring athletes and legends and icons of the fitness industry. So all of them, I'm an absolute fan of all these legendary fitness icons and athletes. And I in fact would, like Dalip sir, would take the opportunity to thank Ajay sir,
thank you,
and Ishtiaq and everybody here for having me and letting me be part of this beautiful family, this close-knit family of UFC Gym. Y'all are going to see a lot more of me. Y'all are going to see a lot more of me.
Looking for second home as it is.
Second home, yeah, absolutely.
My one question, my last question. Recently, it was an untimely death of Mr. Siddharth Shukla, who was a very fitness freak also, and he had a good body. But an untimely death, he got an attack. So, ऐसी चीजों में, like, you know, people have started talking about, even in spite, like, you being such a fitness freak, there are chances, like, you know, so in these kind of things, like, how do you try to cope up things, and like, sometimes people talk a lot about, like, you know, when you're a fitness person, you're fully fit. ऐसे में, like,
I think that's a very good question and a good point that you've brought up, Manav. I think this, what you're talking about is mental health. And I think they are equally very important. Physical health and mental health is very important. लेकिन एक होके फिर दूसरा नहीं होना नहीं चलेगा. As Dalip sir said, you know, being mentally fit is as important as being physically fit. You know, I mean, like you said, Siddharth was a fit, handsome young man, but who knows what his mental state was. You know, so it's so important to make sure you have that balance. I think it's so unfortunate, Manav. It's so unfortunate that that happened. But I think people should strive to find that balance. Make sure you talk to people, confide in people. If you have, अगर आपको दर्द महसूस हो रहा है, आपको तकलीफ महसूस हो रही है, आपको अगर दुख है, और आपको बोलना, लोगों से बात करनी चाहिए, अपने चाहने वालों से, अपने दोस्तों से, अपने परिवार से बातें करनी चाहिए. प्रोफेशनल हेल्प सीख करो. It is very important. Physical health is important, but mental health is as important, and they go. It's hand in glove, Manav. I think, but if you have great mental health and great physical health, you are a rock solid person, and I think you're on the right track. And everybody should strive to achieve that balance with mental health and physical health.
I'd like to contribute to this particular question, if I may. Excuse me. You brought a very good point, but the important thing these days is that आजकल जैसे जिम्नेशियम्स हो रहे हैं और लोगों को मालूम पड़ता है कि कभी-कभी लोग आते हैं कि दिल की बीमारी पहले से हो और उसमें ज़्यादा स्ट्रेन करे, तो आज जिम्स में आपकी पूरी मेडिकल रिपोर्ट का मतलब उसका जो रिजल्ट वो देते हैं. जहाँ आप UFC में आइए तो पहले आपका जितनी भी आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, मेडिकल प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, आपके मेटाबॉलिज्म का है, आपका शरीर कैसे परफॉर्म कर रहा है, उसका पूरा टेस्ट दिया जाता है और उस हिसाब से आपको एक्सरसाइज दी जाती है, जो कुछ जिम्स में करते हैं, जो और भी लोगों को करना चाहिए. क्योंकि कुछ मैं ये नहीं कहना चाहूँगा कि उनका जो इंतकाल हुआ वो इसलिए हुआ कि वो एक्सरसाइज ज़्यादा कर रहे थे, या कुछ उसका कोई सबूत नहीं है कि वो एक्सरसाइज की वजह से उसको हुआ. लेकिन ये ज़रूरी है कि लोगों को इस पे ध्यान रखना चाहिए. There should be a full medical report and a full medical test before you get into any form of exercise, because it could have a strain on you. It could have, which is done in UFC. I have to say, I came here just to visit Ajay, and he gave me a full test, which was quite shocking, the results. But anyway, I managed to improve on it. So I'm trying to say that it is an important aspect that you have mentioned, but that is being done in professional places.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your presence.
Thank you, भाइयों. Please मेरा शो देखिए 26 नवंबर को लाइव गेट पे, और 3 दिसंबर को नेटफ्लिक्स पे. Kumar Blue on Netflix, and Hiccups and Hookups on Lionsgate. Please watch. Enjoy. Thank you. Scott. Please come, Scott. Join us. Please.
So we have one more.
Yes.
Yes, Ekman. Wait. प्रतीक यार सामने भी देखो. या one more both of you. Thank you. आसिफ सर. हुआ थैंक यू. मैंने किया तो करेगा क्या करेगा. देखो आसिफ sir. So right in my camera. So this corner, sir. Look here. Both of you look center. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
अपने आप ताकत बढ़ जाती है.
Amit, आप fitness में हैं, what do you have to say about the launch today at USC?
Well, I'm absolutely thrilled to be here. Thank you for having me here. It is my first time. I'm not really savvy to this kind of training, but I do want to get into this. And I was just telling Pratik about it, that and Suchi as well. I'm going to be here very soon, and I'm going to be slamming it here. Yeah.
You've been into fitness, we know this line, yes.
Me, I look like I'm into fitness, thank God at 51, but this is new to me as well. My introduction to UFC thankfully has been through my husband Lars Kelsen, who will be associated, fingers crossed, with UFC gym very soon. He's a black belt teacher level in karate. So he's made me watch all of the UFC matches, so I know the names and I know who they are, what they stand for. And yeah, when it comes to it, जब हम लोग लड़ाई करते हैं, तो then I use some UFC techniques, my own. लेकिन fitness के बारे में I know it's important, but I have been up to now very into yoga, etc. But who knows, this gym might change it all.
Yeah, I know UFC through NCR. Means I was hearing before also another best gym. And just not only weight training, they have lots of other classes and MMA and fitness and other functional training also. So you get all the things, not boring, like you just do weight training, you do lots of other things also. It's very interesting and I love working out over here. I'm looking forward to more branches in Bombay so that it is easier for other people to also closer to home. So that's good, and congratulations to ICR, the whole team of UFC, and may they flourish more and more branches all over India.
Of course.
How does it feel to hear such good things? I'm sure it must be a proud moment for you.
Yeah, actually, one of the most important things for our business is to keep a pulse of what the members feel about the experience. So we do this exercise every 3 months where we reach out to our members and find out what they actually need. Because once you set it up, your infrastructure is not going to same, but the experience can always improve. And the experience can be improved based on skilled employees over there. Like we have coaches who are certified. So the whole idea is to keep improving the experience. And when you hear good things from ourselves and other members, it's a good feedback. But it's a continuous exercise. So you have to keep improvising, keep doing the right thing, keep training, so that the members experience across all the gym are uniform.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you. हमारा exit भी ले लो.
थोड़ा पीछे more.
अरे इसको बोलो hiccups and hookups when they squat. And they squat and squat. बीच में से. एक लुक यहाँ भी. Everyone this one also.
Karthik sir. Karthik sir look center. Sir, एक fight. Sir, one fight. Sir, one fight. Sir, part एक फाइट
जी के बीच में रे हां पार्टी दा ओके गिव डार्ट छोड़ना मत पकड़ के रहा अरे बाथरूम जाने का बाथरूम अरे कमल भाई लॉन्च कर लो अपने आप को लॉन्च करो अपने आप को नीचे कर लो रे हां बहुत ज्यादा ऊपर लिया यहां शूट करा तू आसमान ऊंचा एक यहाँ पर भी ठीक है ना
चलो भाई
आई जानू जा बाजू चलो hold on ma'am thank you very much hi how are you hey, give me a solo can you come here Thank you. Yash. No, yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
पागल है क्या? मैं अच्छा भाषा फिल्म नहीं है, दिखा ही नहीं है। इधर उधर
हाँ एक मिनट सर इधर देखिए मधुर सर इधर बोल क्या हुआ कितना लगा थैंक यू
That's a start. Now we'll go for only that medium or level. Okay. Okay. Acha. Oh. Medium level. Left. Right push kick. Okay. Left. Hand up. Jab. Right push kick. Okay. Cross. Left. I know it was a bit tricky. Okay, let's try that. Okay, left. And again. Right. Yes. One easy one. 1, 2. No, left is left. 1, 2. Okay, left kick. Left kick. My left kick around. Yes. Kiske saath? Okay, yes. 1, 2. Left kick. Okay. Again.
चलो भाई
1, 2.
ये देख
Right kick. Yes.
जोर से विशाल
You kick.
सोहेल भाई थोड़ा पीछे हो ना भाई 6 पे बाहर निकल गए हो गया
तुषार जी को मैं पुणे के टाइम से जानता हूँ एंड उनका जो एंथुजियाज्म है फिटनेस को लेके वो अभी से नहीं है 20-25 सालों से and he invited me. He said कि I'm part of this UFC gym, so you have to come. And I'm really excited to see the enthusiasm of each and everyone and fitness से जुड़े लोग कितने excited हैं and definitely UFC international brand है और बहुत सारे लोगों को excitement होगा कि ये मुंबई में launch हो रहा है. Then I want to congratulate Ishtiaq sir for opening this franchisee and I want to tell each and everyone who wants to come into fitness and UFC gym आए और यहाँ पर membership ले and fitness में अपना contribution दे. Thank you.
So how important fitness is for you?
For me, fitness is something not only physical but mental fitness, emotional fitness. I think it's a combination of everything. So physical is just part of it, but it is a very important part. Yeah.
आपको फिटनेस का क्या मंत्र है
मेरा as I said कि वो तीनों चीज़ का combination है. It is mix of mental, emotional and physical fitness.
So in in ongoing periods में अभी लॉकडाउन वगैरह था तो आप अपने आपको कैसे फिट रखते थे? Like gyms वगैरह close थे तो how fit you are keeping yourself?
मेरे पास रेजिस्टेंस बैंड थे तो वर्कआउट मैं उससे कर रहा था, योगा कर रहा था and breathing exercises and I was trying to maintain a good healthy diet. I was staying with my mom, so diet was good. Yeah.
So also the sir is here. What wishes you would like to give him?
Sir, are you?
Farzad sir, Anil was in Suryavanshi, Sacred Games, PK, Hasi to Fasi, name it. All possible films is just being there. Simba.
So sir, what wishes you would like to give him?
So yeah, I want to congratulate
Anupama
Farzad sir and Ishtiaq sir. इस इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड को मुंबई लेके आने के लिए एंड if I'm not mistaken this is the fourth franchise. So congratulations.
Thank you.
And at the same time I'm really excited to be part of UFC gym. So definitely I'll be in touch with Tushar sir for this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. पार्टी बॉय।
Yeah, of course, I've heard of you. आपको देखा भी है. Yeah, of course. कैसे हैं? आया है. तो ये आपके टीचर होंगे? हाँ.
आया ना फोटो.
Is the back is UFC showing on? Can do that.
Yeah.
Punch.
Thank you. Thank you. Once more for them, yeah. हाँ वहाँ से एंगल करो फेसिंग देख
मम्मी हमेशा बोलती है यू नो वेरी बैड शर्मिला करती है का बॉन्ड वाटर बोल के क्या करती है
ओके थैंक यू सर थैंक यू सो मच
Someone else is joining? Yeah.
The world boxing champion. Yeah. Priyanka, she is world global tourism. This.
Hi, Farzad.
That's Farzad sir, who the creator of this.
So आज UFC जिम का लॉन्च है. क्या कहना चाहते हो?
हिंदी में ही बोलना है सारा?
Sorry.
हिंदी में ही बोलना है? और इंग्लिश इज ओके?
It's okay. Okay.
Hi, I'm Priyanka Shah. I'm here at the launch of UFC Gym. बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ that India को finally एक world class gym मिला है जहाँ पे professional trainers के साथ professional equipments होंगे. And I think Mumbaikars are very happy and very lucky to have this facility right in Bandra. तो मैं तो बहुत excited हूँ कि कब मैं यहाँ आ सकती हूँ और अपना next class ले सकती हूँ. जी.
So, what is your fitness mantra?
I am 3-time वर्ल्ड किक बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियन और जैसे कि ये UFC MMA प्रमोट कर रहा है फाइटिंग और इंडिया में मिलियंस ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में बिलियंस फ़ैन हैं इसके और बॉम्बे में फर्स्ट UFC जिम है ये और हम लोगों के लिए खुशकिस्मती है कि हम अच्छे फाइटर्स इंटरनेशनल कंपटीशन के लिए तैयार करेंगे जी और ट्रेनर्स जो है बाहर से भी यहाँ पे आने वाले हैं तो यहाँ पे और बच्चों को मौका मिलेगा इंटरनेशनल एथलीट के साथ में ट्रेनिंग करने का।
क्या विशेष देना चाहोगे आप UFC जिम को?
क्या
विशेष देना चाहोगे आप UFC जिम को?
विशेष देना चाहते हैं कि फिटनेस के लिए तो बेस्ट है और साथ ही साथ इंटरनेशनल फाइटर्स यहाँ से निकले और MMA UFC में एक दिन ऐसा है कि फाइटर यहाँ के वहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट करें।
मेरे विशेष यही है that UFC जिम इज़ वन ऑफ अ काइंड जिम और अभी ये मुंबई बैंड्रा में है। मैं चाहती हूँ ये इंडिया के हर सिटी हर स्टेट में फैले ताकि हर किसी को हर इंडियन को प्रोविजन एंड वो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले कि वो वर्ल्ड क्लास ट्रेनर्स और इक्विपमेंट्स के साथ ट्रेन कर सकें। तो यही मेरी कामना है कि UFC जिम कीप रॉकिंग। दिस इज जस्ट द फर्स्ट स्टेप। आई वांट टू सी यू ग्रो इन एवरी सिटी ऑफ इंडिया। ऑल द बेस्ट। थैंक यू। ऑल द बेस्ट।
अच्छा. So who's sitting there? Where to sit? मुझे क्यों बीच में? I'll end up talking the most then.
There's a place here. There's a seat here. अच्छा, he's doing the boy girl. अच्छा, he's doing that. So then he can.
Hey, listen, why am I sitting right in the center? All mics are here.
Boy should be in the center.
silence.
So we have UFC's launch today. What do you want to say?
Okay, wait. First, where are we looking at? You or the camera? Center. Okay. Okay. So, yeah, go ahead. Ask again.
So what would you like to say today? You're here for the launch of UFC gym in Bandra.
I mean, firstly, UFC is such a famous franchise. We've all heard about it, watched it so much on TV, and I'm just so happy UFC is open close to my house in Bandra, and I have access to it. I've been working out here for a couple of months now, and you know, it's just fun. It's really professional. The equipment's great, and it's just a fun vibe that the place has. I don't know about the other UFCs around the world, but I'm just happy the Bandra one's amazing, and welcome UFC.
So what is your fitness mantra?
My fitness mantra, you don't want to know.
Tell, those are the real things. I wait till they ask my mantra.
I mean, fitness mantras, I mean, one, you have to work out. That's important. Secondly, you have to have a balanced diet. So I eat, you know, like 2/3 of the day, and 1/3 I don't eat. That's my mantra. Otherwise, I would have had a better body. But the key is to have a balanced lifestyle, I think. And when you work out at a gym and you put in that energy working out, you kind of automatically start balancing your diet because you feel itni mehnat kar rahe hain, you might as well not mess it up with your food. I mean, that's what I think.
And what kind of workout do you prefer?
Well, I see at the gym, this gym has multiple classes, be it Zumba, you know, boxing conditioning, kickboxing, yoga, TRX, and gym, obviously. So I try to do a mix of everything. My wife also comes with me. So in the morning, sometimes we'll do our fitness. The trainers are there. And the good part about the gym is you don't need to have a personal trainer. The trainers are really helpful. They'll guide you. They'll come to you if they see you screwing up, which I do a lot. They come help you out. And in the evenings, we do yoga, Zumba, TRX. And so mix it up, basically. Yeah.
It's so good to see you after such a long time. Such a pleasure. And you look all the same. So of course, I'm going to repeat the question. What's the fitness mantra and what would you like to say for UFC gym?
Thank you so much, Parul. It feels great to be back. And just going a little off the topic, is this is my first appearance in normalcy. I've been with the mask and in hiding for the last couple of years. So it feels really good to be back, I will say, at UFC, because I was there at the launch of the first gym, which our dear friends Ishtiaq and Fatima did. And I'm back here to support them. And I think gym is the best thing that can happen in somebody's life. So anything to do with fitness, I'm so glad that the first time I've appeared again is at a gym. And UFC, of course, is a gym in another league. I mean, it's fabulous. And I'm not going to go into more details because that I will leave for my friend Ishtiaq to tell you all. But I mean, it's fabulously done. The red and gold and the whole combo of the gym is amazing. The classes, there are lots and lots of classes which I'm going to come now and start witnessing. And yeah, it just feels amazing to be here. And honestly, I never thought that in Bandra, I mean, the middle of heart of town, that there could have been such a mega-sized gym, you know, I mean, in the middle of
Hill
this,
Road.
yeah, and one would think that, you know, that there'd be a space constraint, and one wondered after you compared it to Delhi, and if I may say so, I think this is even better.
I'm sure there will be a lot of calls coming in from all your friends and they want to be, you know, joining the gym soon. Ishtiaq, this question is for you. What do you have to say?
Well, we're inviting all of them to come and experience. So, actually, as I mentioned earlier also, UFC gym is a concept because it's first of its kind to have traditional gym, functional training gym and MMA gym under one roof. So, unless and until you come, take a class or get an experience, it will be very difficult to understand what this place is all about. So what we've done is we've invited all our friends over to come and experience it, work out, and then put the good word out. So that's how we are trying to put the brand out in the market and, you know, people to know what we do.
And if Anupama is working out here, trust me, there'll be far more boys footfall after this. That normally I've seen the track record before I worked out in the same gyms. It's normally happened.
So, you know, firstly, Bandra being Bandra, you know, the queen of suburbs, and this at Hill Road. I'm a Bandra person. And yet, I've been to many gyms. This is the first of its kind that from spinning to a kickboxing to a Muay Thai has it all together. We used to go to different classes, and now to have all of them together here, it's brilliant, and that too Hill Road. I mean, and what I like, so I was not going to gym after lockdown because all of us has that thing that, you know, after lockdown, you are in that shell that whether to go. But when I came here and I saw their, you know, sanitizing levels or even that shoe thing they have the minute you enter, so those things make you feel comfortable and, you know, so I can be off the mask and in this place. So I'm very happy it's there in Bandra.
The shoe thing helps in moonwalking also. You should try it with the plastic on.
I haven't asked my wife, what do you think about the gym? So I would like to know from Mrs. Ansari what she thinks about the gym.
I just love the location first, and absolutely the entire space is damn good. I've been a Bandra person, so I would love to come back.
Yeah, we all love Bandra.
Yeah, we are Bandra people, so this is
We
our
love
thing.
Bandra.
Yeah, we love Bandra, we love UFC now.
I think in the next Zumba class, you're all going to be there.
Yes, absolutely. You remember how I convinced you that Zumba
Start
must
Zumba,
come?
yeah.
Get Zumba, and then he brought Zumba with such a gusto to this city, and then it's...
Yeah, and I've done Zumba too. I mean,
Yeah.
a lot of people are shy of it because they think it's like a girly thing.
Yeah, last class there were 15 people, 2 boys, him and me and
But listen, guys, if you don't know, Zumba was actually supposed to be a male form of dance. That's how it was started.
Oh, really?
And yeah, so the best trainers are mostly, the women have taken over, but I started with a male trainer, and all over the world it's a male form of dance. So this is just for all the men who are feeling awkward that...
Fazal, any last word of wisdom?
I think it's great to hear all this.
Come to Bandra.
I unfortunately am not a Bandra guy, so I do miss out on that regular visits. But the way I look at it, if bringing this concept and it helps to change anyone's lives for the better, I think that would be the most fulfilling aspect of all.
No, it definitely, I think, changes. I mean, what could be better that you eat lots and work out a little more and just enjoy life, and you don't need to all the time keep watching what you're eating and stressing about that. And wish you Farhad lots more.
Yeah, I'll repeat that. You know, I, as a Bandra person, I've been to gyms and I used to take different classes for different activities. To have it all together, it's not there. So, you know, that is very beautiful.
We want to pay double. Thank you.
Ayo Janu jangan jauh.
I watch this time Big Boss.
I don't have time.
One more left side.
Yeah, please.
So hold on, everyone, in my camera. Fine. Thank you. Yeah.
Well, I've been a fan of UFC for the longest time, and Tushar and Sanyogita have always tried to get me back into fitness, and I prefer the MMA setup in terms of the new age form of cardio. So it's a great setup here, and hopefully more and more people are now shifting towards functional and other forms of cardio as compared to the typical elliptical and treadmill. So it's a new way, and I think it's going to set a trend in the fitness industry in Mumbai.
There's a complete transformation and a complete upliftment when you talk about fitness industry. What do you have to say about that?
Well, I think fitness is very important in our lives today, and the more hectic or chaotic our lives get, the more we need to realize that we need to balance it with some form of activity. that way as a form of de-stressing, as a form of building your endurance or building your strength, so that you can work harder. So there has to be a balance.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Kendra, so you're here for the launch of UFC Gym and you've been into fitness yourself. You are a fitness enthusiast. What do you have to say?
Okay, so I have been actually here since August, since it opened, and I was really excited. I saw it before, obviously, in July, and I was very excited for it to start. Yeah, I've been working out since the age of 15, I think, and so it's been a long, long time and a lot of gyms, and it's a fabulous gym. I love the space. I love the fact that the trainers also give you your space and they don't just kind of impose on you. The equipment is like, you know, the first day I came here, I was just like, I didn't want to touch anything because everything looked so brand new. Everything looks so brand new. It's like, oh, so it's fab. I like the fact that, you know, there's the whole COVID protocols as well. So it's being sanitized often. And yeah, it's a good space. You know, sometimes when you go to certain gyms, it's like, you know, something feels off sometimes in the vibe or anything, but it's nice. It makes me want to come here for sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So you're here for the launch of UFC Gym and you are a fitness enthusiast yourself.
Yes.
What do you have to say?
Well, I'm here for UFC Gym, and it's a quite international brand, and it's a great sport. Brutal, badass. So you do need a place where you can get trained from all aspects. And I think it's one of the finest places, Bandra, where everything is just right here, you know, from all the fitness freaks to celebrities and from the Bollywood and so on. So it's a great gym, and I'm loving the fact that it has been designed and catered pretty well. In fact, I've seen the one in Dubai, Business Bay. So it is somewhat similar. So I'm quite happy we have something in our own country, और सबसे best है बॉम्बे में है और बहुत आसपास है. So you will be seeing some of the jabbing very soon. Yeah, my pleasure.
बहुत अच्छा लगा एक्चुअली इस तरफ हूँ कम है that's right. Hindi, English, anything we can, yeah. Can you ask me again?
आज UFC जिम का लॉन्च है इंडिया में, तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है? आप यहाँ पे एनवायरनमेंट भी देख रहे हो, एकदम जिम का पूरा न्यू मटेरियल लाइक सामान वगैरह आया है.
Yes, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. पहली बात तो it's congratulations to Mr. Nair for doing this, and it's a great initiative क्योंकि lot of people follow UFC, and a lot of people are into fitness, and especially after pandemic, आप देखोगे कि most people are into you know, working out and doing things, so it's great, and especially because it's in Bandra, it's really cool for me as well because I can come here, and yeah, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है that कोई ऐसा initiative ले रहा है.
And do you want me to look into this one? Okay. Yeah.
आज UFC जिम का लॉन्च हुआ है इंडिया में, इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे लॉन्च हुआ है. क्या फील हो रहा है? आपने एनवायरनमेंट्स वगैरह देखा होगा.
I'm honestly just really happy that gyms have restarted. क्योंकि I think pandemic में हम लोग all of us were so I was really restless because I think workout is such an important part of our lives. So I'm just really happy to be able to come to a gym, and UFC gym is, I think, the brand new addition to the Bandra fitness scene. I live in Bandra, so it's really convenient for me, and I remember I've come here for one of the trials, and I'm absolutely in love with the gym. It looks great, the equipment is fab, it also smells really good, which is very rare for a gym. Like, it doesn't have that you know, funny gym smell that most other gyms do. I've also tried one of the kickboxing classes. They have a bunch of classes, like they have yoga, they have kickboxing, and I tried kickboxing, and I love the trainer. He's fab. If you see the gym, the kickboxing area is one of the best kickboxing areas in the country. So for me, overall, the equipment is great. The kickboxing area is fab. The trainers are superb. There's great yoga classes. So it's an overall experience. And because it's in Bandra, it's a winner. Thank you.
Yes, you called me.
Thank you.
सोलो हाथ मारते हुए नो तो आगे बोला पूजा स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर पूजा या पूजा जी हम लोग सेंटर लेफ्ट को ना पूजा जी यहाँ पे ये क्या
कैसे आप बताइए, आप कैसे हैं? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, मतलब फेमिलियर थोड़े फेसेस देख के ना, नहीं तो फिर सिर्फ एयरपोर्ट पे फोटोग्राफर से मुलाकात होती है, बट वो भी इतना फेस दिखता नहीं है। अभी आई रिकग्नाइज एक दो जन और आपको पहचाना, अच्छा लग रहा है, तो नॉर्मल लग रहा है। 2 साल से तो लेट्स नॉट इवन टॉक अबाउट दैट, इज सो बैड।
पूजा जी, हमने देखा जिम बहुत ध्यान से आप देख रहे हैं, तो आप जरा बताइए कि कैसा लगा आपको ये जिम? इंटरनेशनल जिम है, हमने सुना कि ये 4th एडिशन है, मुंबई में ये फर्स्ट, तो आप जरा बताइए कैसा रहा
एक्सपीरियंस? बहुत ही अच्छा था। इनफैक्ट UFC इंटरनेशनल चेन है ब्रांड, एंड मैं ये जिम 1 महीना पहले आई थी, देख कर गई थी। आई वाज लाइक वाओ, आई विश ये मेरे घर के थोड़ा पास होता, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ से बहुत दूर रहती हूँ। तो हाँ, या यू नो वेयर आई लिव, सो आई लिव रियली फार। मतलब जितना वर्कआउट नहीं होगा उससे ट्रिपल टाइम आने जाने में लग जाएगा मुझे। सो दैट्स अ सैड पार्ट, बट आई लव द जिम। Even the trainers, the coaches that they have, सब international बाहर के coaches हैं, and their machines are off age. The space that they've given is amazing, and the interiors and everything is fantastic. So I really like. In fact, outdoor training की जगह है ऊपर, तो मतलब एक मैं fitness enthusiast हूँ, मैं I love to train, and you know I'm heavily into gymming and everything. तो मतलब this is like a candy store. So I just feel bad, काश ये मेरे घर के पास होता, but for everyone who's working out here, they have like the best of everything. है ना, मैंने बोला हुआ है प्लीज खोल दो, तो उन्होंने कहा इसके बाद हम वही खोलेंगे। बोला, प्रॉमिस तो किया है इन्होंने मुझे। हाय,
फिटनेस पर कितना बिलीव करती हैं? आपकी फेवरेट क्या एक्सरसाइज है, अगर पूजा जी बता सकते हैं?
मुझे ना एक चीज़ रोज़ करने में बहुत बोर हो जाता है। मैं सिर्फ जिम में नहीं ट्रेन कर सकती या सिर्फ फंक्शनल नहीं कर सकती, तो आई कीप वेरिएटिंग। अभी रिसेंटली मैंने टेनिस खेलना सीखा है, सो आई मीन सीख रही हूँ। 4 क्लासेस हुए हैं, नॉट टू मच, बट आई लाइक द वेरिएशंस। एंड इवन बॉडी को स्टैग्नेट नहीं होना चाहिए, एक ही चीज़ तरह की अगर एक्सरसाइज किया तो वो मसल्स यूज टू हो जाते हैं। सो आई लव अ वेरिएशन। एंड मेरी फिटनेस जर्नी मिस इंडिया से शुरू हुई थी। मिस इंडिया, मिस वर्ल्ड, तो जब इंडिया के बेस्ट फिटनेस एक्सपर्ट्स आपको ट्रेनिंग देते हैं आपके बॉडी के बारे में, आपके फूड के बारे में, आपके एक्सरसाइज के बारे में, तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा काफ़ी डेप्थ में नॉलेज मिल जाती है। सो यू अंडरस्टैंड योर बॉडी अ लॉट। और हम एक्टर्स, हमारा ऐसा है ना कि प्रोजेक्ट टू प्रोजेक्ट वी शुड चेंज आवर बॉडी अपीयरेंस, लुक, और मैं वही करती हूँ। कमांडो में अलग है, यारी में अलग है, आउच में अलग है, ये बबलू बैचलर में अलग थी, जहाँ 4 यार में अलग है। सो लकीली बिकॉज आई नो हाउ टू ट्वीक थिंग्स, आई एम एबल टू डू इट। तो फिटनेस मेरे लिए बहुत 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 ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट।
क्योंकि आप टेनिस सीख रहे, तो ऐसा मानिए किसी टेनिस प्लेयर के ऊपर ऐसी बायोपिक या कुछ करने वाली है, ऐसा कुछ डिफरेंट, या स्पोर्ट्स के ऊपर ऐसे कुछ?
आई वुड लव टू, बट ये मैं टेनिस सिर्फ अपने शौकिया तौर पे सीख रही हूँ, नॉट बिकॉज आई वांट टू लर्न समथिंग, बट आई वांट टू लर्न समथिंग न्यू। सो इट्स रियली एक्साइटिंग। और घर के नीचे ही कोर्ट है, तो सुबह 7 बजे उठ के नीचे चले जाओ, 1-1.5 घंटा सीखो। इट्स क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग।
यू नो, महाराष्ट्र में भी धीरे-धीरे फिल्में रिलीज होना स्टार्ट हो गई, तो आप बताइए कि आपका क्या कुछ पाइपलाइन में हम देखेंगे?
यार जिस दिन महाराष्ट्र में थिएटर्स खुले थे 22 अक्टूबर, उसी दिन मेरी फिल्म रिलीज, मतलब दे रिलीज्ड बबलू बैचलर, बट इतने ज़्यादा लोग नहीं गए, विच इज़ द सैड पार्ट। अभी भी बहुत कम लोग जा रहे हैं, तो मुझे थोड़ा बुरा लग रहा है, बट ऑनेस्टली आई थिंक थिंग्स शुड पिक अप। आई एम होपिंग थिंग्स शुड पिक अप। बबलू बैचलर भी 22 अक्टूबर को आई, और नेक्स्ट फिल्म फरवरी में आएगी, जहाँ 4 यार। उसके लिए मैं बहुत 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 ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ।
बताइए कि क्या कुछ जॉनर हमें देखने को मिलेगा, क्या कुछ आपके किरदार में देखने को मिलेगा?
सो बबलू बैचलर वॉज अ रोम कॉम। मैं जर्नलिस्ट अवंतिका का इंडिपेंडेंट गर्ल प्ले कर रही थी,
और मेरी लाइफ में, मेरे एंटायर करियर में मैंने आज तक ऐसा किरदार नहीं निभाया है जो मैं जहाँ चार यार में करने वाली हूँ। मैं एक ठेठ, वो कहता ना ठेठ गांव की लड़की जो सुबह उठ के गाय को चारा देती है और मुर्गियों को खाना खिलाती है, मतलब वैसी लखनवी मुस्लिम लड़की। तो ये मैंने कभी किरदार नहीं निभाया है। दिस इज एन अमेजिंग 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 स्टोरी। 4 लड़कियां हैं, मेहर, शिखा, स्वरा और मैं, और विनोद बच्चन इज प्रोड्यूसिंग इट। सो इट्स अ स्पेक्टैकुलर स्क्रिप्ट एंड इट्स कम आउट ऑल्सो वेरी वेल। हमने ये कोविड में इसको शूट किया है।
तो वो लखनवी जो लैंग्वेज सीखी आपने?
उसका लहजा सीखा। हमारे डायरेक्टर का ये मानना था, मुझे ठेठ वाली लैंग्वेज सीखनी थी, बट उसके इतने वर्ड्स मुश्किल होते हैं दैट यू कांट कैच। अगर यूपी के ठेठ आजमगढ़ का अगर कोई आए और अगर आपसे पूछे, आपसे वार्तालाप करे, तो आप वर्ड्स नहीं समझ पाएंगे। तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम वो ठेठ भाषा फिल्म में नहीं यूज़ कर पाए, बट उसका लहजा हमने ज़रूर यूज़ किया है।
आप यूएफसी जिम जब वर्कआउट का आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
मैंने बस उनको अभी बताया कि यूएफसी
खास क्या लगता है?
यूएफसी में खास बात आई थिंक यूएफसी की खास बात ऑनेस्टली ये है कि इनका जो ब्रांड है, ऑब्वियसली इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड है, बट दे आर स्टेइंग रेप्यूटेड, आई मीन दे आर स्टेइंग इन दैट लीग, क्योंकि जो कोचेज है सारे इंटरनेशनल कोचेज हैं। जो उन्होंने जिम बनाया, जैसे मैंने कहा, दैट इज कम ऑफ एज, दैट इज द बेस्ट इक्विपमेंट्स, अमेजिंग स्पेस, द स्पेस इज आउटस्टैंडिंग। एंड आई डोंट थिंक मैंने इतनी सारी स्पिनिंग मशीन्स एंड कार्डियो मशीन्स बॉम्बे बांद्रा एरिया में और कहीं देखा है। सो आई थिंक यूएफसी, इन्होंने मुझे प्रॉमिस किया कि मेरे घर के पास जल्दी खोलेंगे जिम।
सर मैडम के घर के नीचे भी ये यूएफसी ब्रांड आपको ओपन करना?
बहुत छोटी सी चीज़ मांगी है इन्होंने तो वो ज़रूर करेंगे, पर इनके बारे में आज एक चीज़ जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है। अगर आप इनका इंस्टाग्राम प्रोफाइल फॉलो करते हैं, इनका वर्कआउट, ये वर्कआउट मिस नहीं करती। सुबह 7 बजे जिम में 7 दिन ये जिम में आपको मिलेंगी। तो इनका जो फिटनेस रजीम है, आई डोंट नो इन्होंने हाईलाइट किया है कि नहीं, बट ये अपना फिटनेस रजीम कभी मिस नहीं करती हैं। जिम में सुबह हर रोज 7 बजे दिखाएगी।
That is true.
Which is a big deal.
Which I like. I mean, I like it.
Thank you.
And good luck. थोड़ा सा सर मैं